Being a good friend to me would mean like always being loyal, but also knowing when to say,
"You've gone too far." Knowing when to, like, when your friends are uncomfortable, when you need to stop, and also knowing that you can tell your friends if they need to stop.
You're probably better at this than me. So just talk to them about it, and then maybe just let them just think to themselves, so maybe you can think to yourself as well.
But you need to be in the green zone with that conversation. You're speaking rationally when you're in the green zone, because if you're in the red zone and you're talking to a friend, you can scare them off even more. Or if you're in the blue zone while speaking through it, your friend could feel even more worse. Yellow zone, you won't say it right.
You'll be laughing the entire
time. But green zone, you speak it rationally, you make your friends know what they've done, and you make you both feel happy about it.
Yeah.
Like, okay about it. Sometimes I just need to walk out, have a break, a few deep breaths, give it a day.
Just drink some water, have some chocolate.
Have a break.
1-800-5-5-1800